So here's how to add money to PayPal with credit card. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. Adding money to PayPal with credit card is not possible. However, you can use this alternative method. For this, you have to click on the send a request option at this page. Now here again click on the request option. Here you have to enter your email address that is not associated with this PayPal account. After that, click on the next option at this page. Now here you have to enter your amount that you want to add to your PayPal account and then click on the request money option or request now option here. Now you have to open your Gmail inbox. Then here refresh the page or you can simply refresh your mailbox. After that, open the email that you have currently received. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on the pay now option here. Now you have to click on the pay as guest option. After that, follow all of the steps to add money to your PayPal account. So that's how to add money to PayPal account with credit card.